esteemed guests, beloved parents, dedicated teachers, fellow graduates, and friends. Good morning. Welcome to the 14th Moving Up and Graduation Ceremony of the Gate of Heaven Academy. Today, we come here together to celebrate the culmination of another academic year, filled with growth, learning, and unforgettable memories. In a world that has been marked by challenges and changes, we stand here today as a testament to resilience, determination, and the power of community. Our journey through this school year has been a testament to the unwavering dedication of our teachers, the unending support of our families, and the indomitable spirit of our fellow students. As we reflect on the lesson learned, the friendship forged, and the dreams nurtured within our classroom, let us carry forward the values of integrity, compassion, and excellence that has been instilled with us during our time at the Gate of Heaven Academy. Let us embrace the future with curiosity, courage, and commitment to making a positive impact on the world around us. To the graduating class of 2024, I congratulate each and every one of you on this momentous achievement. Your hard work, perseverance, and passion has brought you to this day. I have no doubt that will still continue to shine brightly in all your future endeavors. Thank you to our teachers, our families, and our friends for their unwavering support and guidance. Today, we celebrate not only our individual achievements, but also the collective strength and spirit that defines us as a community. May this day be a reminder of the endless possibilities that lie ahead, the boundless potential within each of us, and the profound impact we can make when we strive for excellence and embrace the value of love, kindness, and integrity. Welcome to a day of celebration, of reflection, and of looking forward with hope and excitement. Together, let's make this 14th Moving Up and Graduation Ceremony a moment to remember, a celebration of our past, our present, and our future. I am De Los Angeles Hans Philip, your class salutatorian, signing off.